Here in Soho, Pearl River Mart will soon be packing up more than customer orders. The store, known for beautiful Chinese and Japanese goods, was told the rent would more than quadruple.
It's not a surprise at all. No, look at what's happening in the neighborhood. You know this is going to happen.
This isn't just an Asian goods store, it's a historic institution. The shop opened up 44 years ago in New York City and was one of the first businesses to offer Chinese imported goods. Yi Wang, an employee, regrets that customers will no longer have the special store in Soho.
The last 2-3 weeks, customers' reaction, they like the store being so spacious, aisles of fun items that they can see under one roof.
Selling these goods can no longer pay the rent, which is being raised astronomically from $100,000 per month to $500,000.
To give you an idea of how much it costs to house these vases, it's about $166 per square foot. The owners tell me they have two options, either hike up the prices or move to another location.
Rents continue to soar throughout Soho, and it's gotten tough for local merchants to compete with the big national chains. Some of those chains are willing to lose money in Soho in order to use the storefront for brand awareness.
Now we'll have another Starbucks or a Duane Reade Pharmacy. You know, do we need another one? Perhaps not.
Coming here because the store is live, so colorful. You smell, you touch, you see. People just like the shopping experience, which is not replaceable at all.
The Chens are looking for a new location, but they know this spot in Soho is as unique as the items they offer. Samantha Miles, Columbia News Tonight.